Friends, in this one I'm going to show you how to simplify an expression that occurs sometimes frequently, sometimes not, depends on who's teaching, when you're solving quadratic equations. So you might get expressions of this form. Take a look. It looks like something like a 2 plus or minus, and then say a square root of 8, and this whole thing is divided by 2. And then you have to simplify this kind of expression. So let's go to the process here. First of all, I'm going to write this as 2 plus or minus. Break up the 8 so it becomes 4 times 2 over 2. Now, a basic property of square roots is you can distribute the root operation to the 4 and the 2 individually. So it's going to be 2 plus or minus the root of 4 times the remaining root of 2. This whole thing here divided by 2 still. Then you continue with this process. So the root of 4, you can find that now. It's going to be 2 times 1. So I'm writing the 2 as 2 times 1 on purpose, so you can see something. And then plus or minus, apply the square root of 4, which is just 2. Copy the remaining root 2, divide this whole thing by 2. Now take a look further. There's a 2 here, there's a 2 here, and there's a 2 in the denominator of the fraction. So pull the 2 from each term in the numerator. Pull it outside, factor it out basically. So it becomes 2 on the outside. And then you have 1 plus or minus the root of 2. And this whole thing hanging over 2. Lastly, what you want to do is you just want to divide this 2 with this 2. That's going to give you a 1, which means that the final answer is just, I'm going to exaggerate the size, 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. That's the final answer, the simplified form. Thank you. Please leave a like, please subscribe. I will see you in another video.